Hello and good morning, everyone. So, today is the second trading session of this week. So, let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Titan, where the company's net profit is up by 43% at 1,006 crores. Revenue is up by 25%, EBITDA is up by 43%, and margins are reported at 9.8% versus 8.6% on yearly basis. The next stock is Bharti Airtel, where the company's net profit is up by 14.2% at 6,791 crores. Revenue is again up by 5.4%. EBITDA is up by 6.2% at 29,561 crores, and margins are reported at 56.7% versus 56.3% on quarterly basis. If you look at the ARPU, it is up by 2.4% at 256 versus 250 rupees on quarterly basis. Along with that, Bharti Airtel approved granted for up to 5% stake in Industar. The next stock is Pargrid, where the company's net profit is down by 6% at 3,566 crores. Revenue is up by 1.8%. EBITDA is down by 6.1%. Margins are reported at 79.4% versus 86%. Along with that, company announces interim dividend of rupees 4.5 rupees per share. The next stock is Hitachi Energy, where the company's net profit is reported at 264 crores. Revenue is again up by 18% on a yearly basis. EBITDA is reported at 299 crores versus 108 crores, and margins are reported at 16.3% versus 7% on yearly basis. The next stock is Bharti Hexacom, where the company's net profit is up by 7.5% at 421 crores. Revenue is up by 2.4%. EBITDA is up by 4.1% at 1,208 crores, and margins are reported at 52.1% versus 51.3%. The next stock is Gland Pharma, where the company's net profit is up by 12.3% at 184 crores. Revenue is again up by 5.8% at 1,486 crores. EBITDA is up by 6%, and margin on a flatter side reported at 21.1%. The next stock is City Union Bank, where the company's net profit is up by 15.1% at 329 crores. Net interest income is up by 14.4% at 666 crores. Gross NPA is reported at 2.42% versus 2.99% on quarterly basis, and net NPA is reported at 0.9% versus 1.2% on quarterly basis. The next stock is Godfrey Phillips, where the company's net profit is up by 22.9% at 305 crores. Revenue is on a flatter side, only up by 0.3%. EBITDA is up by 13.4% at 314 crores, and margins are reported at 19.3% versus 17%. The next stock is JK Paper, where the company's net profit is down by 39.5% at 78 crores. Revenue is up by 4%. EBITDA is again down by 15.2% at 224 crores, and margins are reported at 12.8% versus 15.7% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Hero MotoCorp, where the company reported the October auto sales numbers. Sales down by 6.5% on yearly basis, reported at 6.36 lakh units, which was 6.79 lakh unit last year. Domestic sale is also down by 8%, and exports are up by 42% on yearly basis to 30,979 units. The next stock is Zydus Life Science, because board is going to meet on 6th of November 2025 to consider raising up to 5,000 crores. The next stock is Cipla, where the company is going to acquire 100% stake in Inspira Health Science for 120 crores. And the next stock is Akem Drugs and Pharmaceutical, where the company granted 20-year patent for dual release gastro-resistant tablet for GERD treatment, and also received DCGI approval, which is uses for the innovation tablet in tablet technology for better relief. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.